Welcome to Babylonstoren Farm, a truly exquisite destination located in the heart of South Africa's Western Cape. Today, we'll be taking a tour of this magnificent farm, exploring the gardens and learning about its rich history. The entrance to Babylonstoren is a mix of old and new, with a stunning model of the farm that immediately catches the eye. Once you step inside, you can feel the farm's atmosphere, with vineyards and farm animals wandering about. These donkeys really stole my heart. But the real gem of Babylonstoren is its gardens, immaculately kept and an inspiration to gardeners of any level. These gardens are a sight to behold. The history of Babylonstoren is also fascinating, with the farm dating back over 300 years. The farm was founded in 1692 by Pieter van der Bijl, a Dutch East India Company surgeon who planted orchards, vineyards, and gardens on the land. The farm remained in the van der Bijl family for several generations and was eventually purchased by the late Karen Roos and her husband, Koos Becker, in 2007. Roos and Becker were passionate about preserving the history of the farm and restoring it to its former glory. Today, Babylonstoren is a beautifully preserved example of a Cape Dutch farm, with its whitewashed walls, thatched roofs, and ornate gables. Babylonstoren is known for its gardens, which were modelled after the company gardens of the Dutch East India Company. The gardens feature a wide variety of plants, including fruit trees, vegetables, and medicinal herbs, and are laid out in a geometric pattern that reflects the farm's Dutch heritage. Babylonstoren Farm has become a popular tourist destination in South Africa, known for its beauty, history, and commitment to sustainable agriculture. During our visit, the Puff Adder Walk was all about pumpkins. The walk, named the Puff Adder for its shape, meanders for 70 meters along a stream emanating in the Simonsberg, and slithers through the wild olives and blue gum trees in the garden. The different kinds of squashes on display were amazing to see, but the display changes all the time, so there's always something new to see here. When we visited the farm, the temperatures were getting up to 39 degrees centigrade. And in the sweltering heat, the water from the spring and buffalo gelato were a welcome break. The farm's produce is sold at the on-site farm shop and restaurant, and visitors can take guided tours of the gardens and historic buildings. In the farm stores, you can purchase fresh produce harvested that very morning. The quality of freshness of the produce is unbeatable, and you can taste the love and care that goes into everything grown on this farm. It's not just what you see at Babylonstoren, but the feeling of life and passion that permeates every inch of this magical place. So, if you ever get the chance to visit, be sure to make it a priority. You won't be disappointed. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to be sure to catch more of my upcoming videos relating to Cape Town. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!